because it's in a lot of laser light in this area here. This is ideal for your neck, but it's also ideal for overall neck pain, shoulder pain, elbow pain. It's the pain that people generally associate with aging. I'm not saying anything about you because you're still a teenager or just past teenage, but for other people, it's fantastic. But more importantly, it stimulates healing. Now, differentiating this between this and cold laser wrist X. Wrist X is really optimized for blood. So it's healing for blood, which then flows to all your organs and everywhere in your body. This unit is really optimized for joints and smaller areas of pain, local pain. Now, the pain can be both acute or chronic. It could be a pain that you've had for a long time. And sometimes, people think, well, maybe the only solution is surgery. Now, Light Pad, as well as having an enormous number of cold laser red light, which is 650 odd nanometers wavelength,